Hey foodies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make apple crisp. Start out by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and greasing a pie dish. Then add in 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Now add in 2/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Then add in half a cup of large flaked oats. Then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then mix together the dry ingredients. Then add in half a cup of butter to your dry mixture and cut the butter into cubes. Then press the butter into the dry mixture until it forms a crumbly texture. At this moment is when Cassidy's text stopped working, so please just ignore what it says on the bottom. Then take 3 tablespoons of flour and add it into a medium-sized bowl. Then add in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then add in 1/3 of a cup of white sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then mix and pour it over your apples and then mix together the apples and the mixture that you just created. Take the apples and pour it into whatever dish you're planning on using, and then top it with the oat sugar flour mixture. Then cook it at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. Then enjoy!